Hey friends, today we are going to be learning about the letter Z. What sound does the letter Z make? Z. Z. Can you make the sound Z? Well done! Do you like my design? Thank you! I'm drawing one thing that begins with the letter Z. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a clue. It is usually found in the zoo or the African safari. It starts with Z. Z. Good job! It's a zebra! Well done! I love drawing. And this is the zebra's hair. It has black and white hair. Black and white. And these are the stripes. Did you know zebras have black and white stripes? Yeah, good. And this is the tail. Z is for zebra. Now it's time to paint. Blue. Pink. White. Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Wow, look at my zebra. Ooh, it has black and white hair too. And black stripes.
Oh hi, I'm Zack the zebra.
What's that noise? Look, there's two more zebras. Wow. Oh look, it's Mummy Zebra and Daddy Zebra. Oh hi baby zebra, I love you. Mwah. Oh hi baby zebra. Oh, so cute.
I love my family.
Gallop, 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 gallop. I love playing with my toy zebras. It is so fun. And look, black and white stripes. Wow, the zebra is so beautiful. Aww, nice zebra. And it has two pointy ears. How many zebras do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zebras. Well done. Gallop, gallop, gallop. Well, thank you for watching.
See you again soon.